Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into something that's seriously leveled up my workspace, the Carpentray Store 80cm monitor stand. I'll throw up a screen grab from Amazon so you can see what caught my eye. Let me show you what my desk looked like before, a total disaster zone of cables and clutter. The stand came neatly packed and fully assembled, which is always a win. It feels super solid, but I gotta be honest, the color is a bit off from what was advertised. Now, check this out. Huge difference, right? The monitor stand instantly decluttered everything. Here is a before and after transformation of my desk setup. Despite the color mismatch, this stand is a game changer. It's sturdy, functional, and has really transformed my workspace. Definitely worth checking out if you are looking to get organized.